Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will talk about UDP on HTTP Custom. If you find this helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our latest tutorials. Now, let us get straight into it. The very first thing we need to do is get the custom UDP app installed on your phone. Open up the Play Store, tap on the search icon, type in Custom UDP in the search bar, and press Enter. You will see the search results come up on your screen. From those results, find the custom UDP app and tap on it to open the app page. This is the app we will be using to create our custom server, so make sure you select the correct one. Now, tap the download button to begin installing the app. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so just wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, tap the Open button to launch the app. When the app opens, you will land on the home screen of Custom UDP. You will notice different servers and configs listed there. You will notice different connection profiles and options listed there. But for this tutorial, we are going to focus on setting up our own custom connection using the UDP protocol, so keep that in mind. Before we do anything else in Custom UDP, we need to install one more app. Go back to the Play Store and this time search for Http Custom VPN and press Enter. Find the Http Custom VPN app in the results. Tap on it, and then tap Download to install it. Once it finishes installing, tap Open to launch the VPN client. Inside Http Custom, the first thing you want to do is locate and check the UDP Custom checkbox. This activates the UDP Custom protocol inside the app. Once that is checked, go back to the Custom UDP app so we can grab our server details. In the Custom UDP app, tap on UDP Custom Server. On the next screen, you will see a list of servers available. Choose any server you want to use, then copy the server details to your clipboard. Once copied, switch back over to Http Custom VPN. Inside Http Custom VPN, paste the server details you just copied into the server fields. This includes the IP address, port number, username, and password. Take a moment to double-check all the details are entered correctly before moving on. Once everything looks good, tap the Connect button to start the VPN connection. If you want to see the connection logs, simply swipe to the left side of the screen and the logs will appear there. Now, if you want to save this configuration for future use, first disconnect the VPN. Then tap the plus icon and select Save Config. Give your config a name. Decide whether you want to lock it or leave it unlocked, and then tap Save to finish. You can later import this config from the HTTP Custom folder whenever you need to use it again. One very important thing to remember is that every server and config has an expiry date. Make sure you regularly check the expiration date of your config. If it is expired, simply get a new one and set it up the same way we just did. And that is it. You have successfully set up a UDP custom server on HTTP Custom VPN. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and do not forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our future tutorials. See you in the next one.